Hello people! Hey! Tonight I'm going to show you a special way to do the Rubik's Cube. Okay, usually what you do is you just turn the any which way and eventually, well, you can do it. But I have another way to do it. Sorry for the cat. You ready? You ready too? Alright. So, the other way to do it is, don't blink, you may miss it. Here we go. Good night.